Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Good. Today we are going to talk about the service corrective technique. So we have one student. So sometimes the people are holding the grip. Already I said that you have to the top one is the 1. This is 2. So this lower part 1 and 2. This is the continental grip. But sometimes people are not holding the continental. They are saying, if you say many times also, but they are not doing. What they are doing, they are coming here and they are trying to hit the people are doing this full swing, okay? This is not the full pronation. We have the one student and let's see how we can check that one and try to do the corrective technique to make the thing right, okay? So now we are going to do the corrective technique. So we have with me Sandeep Ghosh, okay? How he is doing, okay? Ready? Like this, you can see this grip is almost okay, but this is not a continental grip, okay? So I'm going to open this, and here you can see this finger is very close. It's okay, but this is the close. It should be a little more far, so he will get. But first thing is this grip. The general knuckle is, this is 1, this is 2, and this general knuckle is in between of, follow, in between of 2 and 3, okay? This is the continental, okay? So it was a little semi-eastern, okay? This is the continental, okay? But another thing, little bit far, 1 finger gap. So this is the tiger grip. People sometimes, if this finger is very close, then what is going to happen? This is going to be round. It's not round. When we hold like this, it is a V shape, okay? This is the V shape, okay? So this V shape should come, okay? It's okay, but this one a little more, okay? So now, what Sandeep's problem is, when he is hitting the ball, okay, his ball is going all the ball there. Why ball is going there? Because when his contact point time is holding, he's hitting, his racket is like this. So how to fix this thing? For that, we need to, this is easy to say but very hard to do, okay? Because we talk so many times for the students, but they are not doing. But we can make a trick, okay? So they can do nicely, okay? So let them to first understand. So now, this is the one fence, okay? This is the, you can see in every tennis club, you can get that thing, okay? This is the fence, very soft, okay? It's movable. So that one is very important. So, but first, ready position here, toss, okay? So this is, so sometimes the kids are hitting. So if the old racket is much better, okay? So do this and do. Racket back and do. So not like this, like this. So this is the first one. This is the shadow one. First try to do like this. And then after that, you can, what happened? When he is doing the serve, he is doing like this. So for that, sometimes if your toss is maybe too far or sometimes too back, that also we can improve that thing. This is a very good technique, okay? You can see if I'm keeping the racket here, I'm toss. Can you see this? So I am hitting. If my racket is, I can't control the ball, okay? So this one we can, because we have to do all together. But now I want to show him how we can pronate the racket, because when the contact point, when he's going to hit the contact point, racket will be like this, okay? So this is very easy to understand, easy to know, but very difficult to do, because sometimes people don't realize. So I want him to memorize the thing. So keep your racket here, up, okay? that thing he will do 5 times, and let's do it. Racket is it down now? Keep your racket a little up here. Keep your racket here, and now you can toss and try to do. That's good. Better. Where are you? You are holding here. Try to keep your ball a little more. The sweet point. Okay, better. One more. Okay. That is little more closer to the net, so you can see that where I'm hitting, it is going there. Okay. So let's say I'm going to do him from here. Slow motion में आ जाएगा हुआ. Now grip is changed. This is here now. Get side আসছে তো. This is top. Okay. Come on, do now. 1 and 2. Yes, that is a good one. Okay. Good. Slowly. Okay. Just try to this. So now I want him to do for the preparation for 1 by 1 step for the corrective technique. I want him to do from here. He was doing like this, racket here. So can you do once again slowly? Can you stop your racket here? Oh, stop here. Ready? Okay, so can you see this one? It's like this. Now he's going to change. I'm going to change the grip. Where the grip? Continental. And try to here to here. Okay? Anyway. Can you do 3 more words? Tomorrow. No, not hard. Try to stop. Again, you have to stop here. You are going forward. Now I'm doing. Can you see this? Okay. So stop here. Stop. Okay. Try to keep the ball in, but the same way, slowly. Okay. One more thing. There, let's try to do like both sides. Okay, and we'll become here. Okay. Can you try? But I want to do one thing once. Okay. So first, now I'm trying to do like this, but I just told him to do like take your racket because this is not a good idea to do the serve. Okay. But anyway, so I'm just focusing for the one thing. Okay. So racket pronation, racket face. Okay, it's much better. Okay, try. Now try to do a little more harder. Okay, still is going to that side. Okay, so for that, I put him again back here. Can you come here? From here, we will do 1, 2. That is 5 times, and then go and do the one serve. Can you do now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now come here. Can you do 2 serve here? Much better. Ready? Okay. One more. Okay, much better. Can you do now? Like this, shadow, 2 shadow. Okay, one more. Okay, ready? Now you can do the ball, hit. Much better. Can you do the shadow? 2 shadow. Keep your watch. Yeah, control your racket head. Okay, ready? Now, can I hit one more ball? We can do the three shadow, but I'm doing faster. Much better. Ready? Okay, ready? Can you do the shadow? Okay. Okay. Ball. That's good one. Check your grip first. Yeah. That's good one because his grip is changing. So you can see how is it? Good? Better? It is better than okay, better than before, okay? So that is, but every time I always recommend that when you are learning the grip thing, because you are changing the grip, so before every serve, because you have the enough time for the forehand, backhand and the live ball, you don't have time to check your grip, okay? But in the service, you have the rest time. So that time you can check your grip, 1, 2, and then you try to do shadow, and then you check your grip again, and then coming and doing the serve, okay? Shadow, and then you do the serve, okay? Stop, good. And check your grip again, okay? Going down, ready? Good one, much better. See the very nice sound is coming. The sound is changing now. Yeah, this is the flat sound is coming now. Can you do shadow first? Okay, two shadow and hold it, last one. Okay, that's good. Now do. Check your grip, always. Yeah. Leave it, okay? Leave the grip and do. Much better. See the sound, okay? It's better now? So before all the ball is going to the cross, means your opponent forehand side. So now if you do this thing, so today I just did that one, that character technique, because you have a lot of problems. Your preparation phase, you need to go here. When you are your ready position also is the stance also not good. So you have to come here and ready position, not bending the knees much, not shoulder turn, not chest up, and there are so many things. But this one is I did it. I try to do 2-3 weeks like this, and then maybe next time I am going to change the preparation one, okay? Okay, so thank you very much. Bye-bye. Because he's he's only 2 years, he's practicing, okay? He got the job and then he started tennis, so he's late. But still, that thing, he's a very nice guy. He's coming regularly almost, So he's play. So he's doing the thing like this. So that one I change. Next time I try to do the preparation phase. But I just want to make service. I always said that service is a very complicated, You need to improve department to department. So your knee bend with the kinetic chain. So just I did the last one, okay? So next time I'm trying to do the knee, hip rotation, shoulder rotation, then shoulder up, shoulder to shoulder, then contact point, that one, then pronation, and then the follow through, okay? So this is the one small video for the corrective technique of the racket face control, okay? So next we are going to do another one. So please keep watching our channel. We are going to make the thing like this. So in the service series, we are going to make more video for every problem, okay? So thank you very much. Bye-bye.